What's happening, guys? I'm bringing today's workout walkthrough. I'm going to take you through today's core workout. It's going to take 6 minutes long. You can do it with me. We're going to go every 30 seconds for 3 sets. The first thing is going to be straddle ups for 10. Number 2 will be, what is number 2? VF series for 3. Number 3, I've got a creative way because we're still moving in to do my hanging tuck taps. Then we'll go directly into two other movements. We got the hanging tuck and the L-sit from the P-bars. Let's get this started in 10 seconds. Moving every 30 seconds on the clock. First one, straddle ups. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it 10 times. Legs out. Push the floor down. 3, 4. You're gonna feel this in your legs. You're gonna feel it in your core. If you need a progression, you can lean back, push it out. We got 10 there. Next one. Got the V up series. It's a V up, single leg, V up will be 1 rep. V up, single, that's 1. V up. The first probably 10 minutes or so of my workouts are always core work. The stronger your core is, the stronger your foundation is going to be. Hey look, sometimes you got to get creative. My pull-up bars aren't set up in my gym yet, so I got to use these guys, but it makes it work. Got a set of 30 hanging tuck taps. Real small, quick taps. That's round 1. We go back to the straddle ups for 10. 2, 1, here we go. I'm moving every 30 seconds. I always have my whole workout planned out. Different chunks, different blocks of time, so that I stay productive for each block. If I had one big long agenda, I would lose focus, lose intensity. But if you master a block at a time, our psychology says I can work hard for 8 minutes. I can work hard for 12 minutes, take a 3 to 5 minute break, and then get into the next block. That's the V up series. 6 minutes worth of work, guys. Let's keep working. Hanging tuck tap, we're going at 5, 3, 2, 1. 30 times, here we go. Anytime you're doing core work, you also want to get some lats in there. Your shoulders. Don't want to just do things from the floor always. That's the end of round 2. Let's get one more. Remember, if you got to lean back for your straddle ups, you can do that. Or if you just got to use your fingertips, you can do that. Change it for what you need. Let's get 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. VF series, we got 3. Whenever you're going out, toes stay off the ground. Keep the ribs down hard in this hollow body here and not collapsing. Strong hollow body, V up. This is training your hollow body here. That position is what that drill is for. It's trying to get you better at what that feels like. Last one. Those are tough. 1 to go. Hanging, tuck tap in 3, 2, 1. 30 times, here we go. I know you think I'm crazy hanging from ladders, but sometimes you gotta find a way to get it done. regardless of your situation. If you want to move, there's ways to make it happen every day. We got 2 more exercises and we're done. Hang and tuck, that's gonna be tough. And a tuck hold or else on the bar. Do a 30-second hang and tuck. Now you don't get a tap, it's just a hold, and that's tough. Especially when you get stabbed by some nails or whatever it is that's up here. 15 seconds. If you're gonna pull a bar, stay strong. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds off. Couple of different levels here, because this is hard. L sits are tough. The higher the bars, the easier it's going to be. Watch me on this series, because I'm not going to be able to hold the full 30 seconds of the L sit. I'm going to take you through my progressions, starting from the hardest down to the easiest, because 30 seconds is tough. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. L sit flutter kicks. L sit, tuck, extension, tuck, single leg, tuck hold, tuck taps. I'm gonna hold out. Finish this out strong. Shaking just means you're working hard. 10 seconds. Feel that burn. Push your knees together. Push down hard. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam. 7 minutes, I lied to you, it wasn't 6. That's today's core workout. Follow our pages for different workouts, different exercises. We actually just uploaded all of our exercise tutorials on the YouTube. You can check that out at ksquarefitness.com. Get after it.